Okay, so I didn't want to do a huge in-depth video on all the things that I carry in my bag for when I do makeup on location. So I'm just going to do a quick run through. It's for a family wedding, so some of the stuff is mine, and so it's not as big of a collection as I would normally use because I had limited amount of space to pack since I just did carry-on. But I'll show you guys what I included in this trip. So to start off with, like, the just makeup and face stuff, I got these contour kits by Anastasia. This is a deep. I just have one person I'm doing makeup for, and then I have the contour kit powder for tan to deep. Just that one. In case I need a little lighter. I don't know if she's going to be super tan right now since we're in the tropics, or if she's going to be a little lighter. So I brought my light contour kit just in case. This is by Motives Cosmetics. And then my Z palettes are filled with the natural, neutral colors. They told me that they just want a very simple, natural look. So I didn't go bring my blues or greens or anything. I knew I could do what I need to do with these colors. These are just my blushes with some highlighters in there. Just a mix to see what she wants. And then I have my different powder, my Ben Nye, my Laura Mercier here, translucent powders. Again, not knowing how dark she'd be, so I brought the yellow just in case, but also because I use it. And here we have some blush, and one more blush that has a little bit of, it's by Milani, and it has this cool baked glow to it, and it doesn't come out of the pan, so I just brought this separately. And then I brought hair clips in case I need to pin their hair back. This is some alcohol so I can spray to sanitize my products. I decided not to bring full tubes of primers, so I just brought, this is the Urban Decay De-Slick one. And this is my Derma Doctor DD cream that I love, love, love. Both really good for hot weather to keep things in place. Just some more shimmers and stuff. This is a brow kit, light and dark colors, so it works on lots of eye colors. So I can mix that in. Here we have eye things, so like mascaras, two different kinds, both waterproof. And this is eye primer. This is a glow primer, but there wasn't a lot left, so I brought the whole thing. I have lip insurance to help color stay on, and some hydrating serum for the face by Simple. And I wanted to go back here really quick. These are actually some awesome little tiny Q-tips that are great for makeup and removing like marks when you're trying to even out eyeliner, something like that. I got these in the airport. There's like a little store, what's it called? I don't know, I can't read it. But they have really cute little things, travel containers, and I can't find little Q-tips like these anywhere, so I always try to grab a box whenever I go and get one there. Then I have this brush cleaner. It's a recipe that I made. It's essential oils, all natural cleaner, and some water and argan oil. So if you want the recipe for that, I can do a video. I use that just to spray my brushes in between uses. This is my products that I'm going to be using for myself, so I just put those there so you can see. Eyelash curler, beauty sponges, I have another one to use as well. And my Smith portfolio case. I did a video on this when I received it, so this is me actually using it. I really love this for travel. It keeps them so organized. You can see my Morphe, I just split it up by size. These are the bigger ones. And here I have, here I have pencils, concealers, any other pencil-y type things, brown mascara, lip gloss, different color eyeliner, and just really mostly lip liners. And then down here we have a couple more primers, lip balm, more highlighter, the Urban Decay eye primer. This closes up and zips up nicely so nothing falls out. Some makeup removers. I love the cleansing waters, but I didn't feel like I had a container that would keep it from leaking, and I had a travel size and lost it, so I was just going to use these this time. Lip applicators, mascara applicators, lash glue. I have these lashes that I bought in a pack, and also individual ones. Ooh, there they are, hiding right here. For the mother of the bride, she didn't want something too intense, but she knew she was going to be crying, so I just figured we would use some of these and not do a ton of mascara. And sponges, and little cotton rounds. I forgot to mention one thing, this mirror. It's just a double-sided mirror that I use. So I think that's pretty much it. I really tried to pack light, just bring the essentials that I knew I needed. And yeah, like I said, I'll have to do a more in-depth tutorial or just a little tour of my traveling case. So for now, this is what I have, but thought you might be interested, and let me know if you like this video. And I just wanted to say I apologize if you can't hear because of the sounds of the waves over there, but if not, I'll re-record this over. And I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.